Natapos po ngayong hapong ito ang oral argument ng magkabilang panig. Doon sa depensa, tumayo po si Attorney Michael Poa. And of course, sa part po ng prosecution, tumayo naman po ang ating kasama, si Congressman Chel Jokno. We are very much happy and positive with the arguments that were raised and articulated by Representative Chel Jokno in behalf of the prosecution, and we want to express our positivity and hope that on Monday, kamukha ng sinabi po ng ating presiding officer, kapag nagdesisyon na sila, ay sana kami po ay umaasa na mapaboran ang aming mga request or pakiusap na issuance ng subpoena. That includes bank documents, AMLC records, and BIR records.